Hi reception, welcome back to your Monday's maths lesson. I hope you all really enjoyed that episode of Number Blocks, learning all about the number 7. Now hopefully you've had a chance to discuss all the different ways you saw the number 7, and you may have written a few more down on your concept map. We are going to be doing a little bit of work at using our 7 objects on our tens frame today and looking at all of the different ways we can show 7 on a tens frame. So you should all have a tens frame in front of you. It might look like it's this way round or this way round. It doesn't matter, it still will show the same things. Now I have put my 7 counters already on my tens frame. Try you count and check that I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if you can move your counters so they look like mine. Great job. Now have a look at your tens frame. We know we have 7 counters all together, but I can see 2 more numbers within my 7 counters. I wonder if you could tell your grown-up what 2 numbers you can see. Great job. I can see a group of 4 here and a group of 3, but I have 7 all together. Now let's move some of these counters. Here we go. What have I made now? Tell your grown-up, what 2 numbers can you see with my 7 counters? Well done. I can see what's half of 10. If I filled up half of my tens frame, how many have I got in the top line? That's right, 5, because we looked at halving last week. Go remember them. So 5 is half of my 10. So I have 5 on my top line and I have 2 more. Now remember, we can use our tens frame to help us write some addition problems, some adding problems. So I'm going to write this one on the concept map for number 7, because I know that 5 add 2 equals 7. So let's write that down. 5 add 2 equals 7. Because we can also do that with our hands, because when we show 7, we have 5 fingers on one hand, and then we know we have to add 2 more, don't we, to show our 7 fingers. You may also want to draw 7 fingers on your concept map. Right, I'm going to show you my 7 again. Let's see. See if I can make it look a little bit strange for you. Okay. This one looks a little bit more trickier. What numbers can you see on my concept map now? Not on my concept map, sorry, on my tens frame. What numbers can you see on my tens frame now? You might see more than 2. Well done. I can see 3 in this bottom line and 4 in this top line. So I could write the number sentence 3 add 4 equals 7. But I can also see 3 in this corner, 3 in this corner, and 1 in the middle. So 3 add 3 plus 1 more makes 7. Now, for your activity today, reception, if you remember in the episodes of Number Blocks, at the very end, they all sat down to have a picnic. And number 1 from our number block, he could only eat 1 item of food because he is number 1. Our number 2 could only eat 2 items of food, and 3 could eat 3, 4 could eat 4, 5 could eat 5, 6 could eat 6, and 7 could eat 7 delicious cupcakes because she belongs with number 7. So your activity today, you are going to be drawing a picnic for our number blocks, but you have to remember to draw the correct amount of food for each number blocks. Now, there is a printed version of the sheet where you would just need to draw the food on, but if you don't have a printer like I don't, I've had to draw them. So you can see I've drawn my number blocks. I've only done up to 4 so far because I haven't finished it yet. So you draw your number blocks and you then have to draw the correct amount of food. So I've drawn 1 apple for my number 1 block. I've done 2 oranges for my number 2, 3 ice cream cones for number 3, and I've done 4 sandwiches, 4 square sandwiches for my number 4. And I'm going to continue this all the way to number 7. Okay, so your activity is to draw a picnic for the number blocks to 7. So 1 all the way to 7. For your challenge, I would like you to have a play around with your tens frame and find out all the different ways to show 7. Okay, I will be really impressed if you were also able to write a number sentence for all of the different ways you've shown. Okay, and you can add them onto your concept map. So have a wonderful day, reception, and I cannot wait to see all of your lovely work. Okay, have a lovely day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.